Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to find your Instagram password if you forget. If you forget your Instagram password, don't worry, you can find your Instagram password. Just follow this step. For finding your Instagram password, you need your Gmail account. My Gmail account is here. If you have Gmail app, open your Gmail app. If you don't have Gmail app, you can open your Gmail account from Google Chrome, but I want to open with Gmail app. Click on Gmail app. After that, here we have Gmail account profile. Click on Gmail account profile. Then here is manage Google account. Click here. After that, scroll left. Look, here we have security. Click on security. Then scroll down. Come down. Here is password manager. Click on password manager. When you click on password manager, again scroll down. Find Instagram.com or find this app. Here we have different app. Find Instagram. When you find Instagram.com, then click here. Here, your phone asks you enter your password or put your finger to open this lock. I want to put my finger. Now, look here. From here, you can see your Instagram password. If you click on I, you can see your Instagram password. Guys, if you find your Instagram password from this method, then share the result on the comment. Don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel for more useful content. Have a good day. See you soon.